After years working cruise ship, food, and beverage operations, I've seen galley wars that could sink morale faster than an iceberg. Today, I'm sharing the real strategies to turn kitchen battlefields into profitable, harmonious operations. If you're dreaming of F&B leadership, this is your survival guide.
Sauce needs more stock.
Adding it now.
Veggies are prepped.
Great, in they go.
The friction is inevitable. Chefs work under crushing pressure, thousands of meals, tight schedules, limited space. Servers face demanding guests and blame the kitchen when food's delayed. As F&B director, I learned that most managers make the fatal mistake of taking sides. That's when you lose control completely.
Excuse me, hot plates coming through?
Sorry.
Here we are, the seafood platter.
Pardon me, one moment.
Here's what I implemented that transformed my operations. First, shared accountability metrics. Both kitchen and service shared responsibility for guest satisfaction scores and food costs. When their bonuses depended on working together, the finger-pointing stopped overnight.
Scrambled eggs, please?
Certainly. Bacon as well?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Pancakes, thanks.
Second, mandatory cross-training. Every server spent 2 shifts in the galley, every cook spent time serving guests. Nothing builds respect like walking in someone else's shoes. The complaints about they don't understand vanished when they literally understood.
Watch how I plate this. It's all about precision.
Okay, see. Can I try? Yes, go ahead.
Third, communication protocols during service. I installed a simple traffic light system. Green meant normal flow, yellow signaled potential delays, red meant all hands support needed. No more surprise meltdowns during dinner rush because everyone knew the kitchen's status in real time.
Order up! Table 7, Kwame Bra!
Heard, coming in for table 7.
Go, and 12's next.
But here's the director's secret weapon: weekly one-on-one meetings with both kitchen and service leads, not to mediate conflicts, but to prevent them. I'd identify tension before it exploded and address root causes, not symptoms. Prevention beats damage control every single time.
Our guest satisfaction scores dipped.
An agent issue is wait times at the main dining room.
We can adjust menu pacing.
The result? My departments consistently ranked highest in guest satisfaction and had the lowest staff turnover. Happy crew means happy guests, means profitable operations. If you're serious about F&B leadership, visit CruiseCareerPro.com for your free CV evaluation. We'll help you position yourself for these director roles where you can make a real difference.